Hey guys, welcome back to the channel once again. So let's continue with our interview series for the Python questions. So today it's a very basic question, and you can expect to get this kind of question in the service-based companies mostly, where the difficulty level of this question is quite easy. And let's understand the question, and after that we'll be come up with one bonus question which is related to this question only. So let's see the question first. So the question basically says, write a Python program that to find the sum of all the odd numbers, and then write a Python program to find the sum of even numbers in an array. So in the input 1, we are been given the array from 1 to 10, and the output is 25. So the output basically is the sum of all the odd numbers, that is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. And similarly in the input 2, we have been given 1 to 10, and the output is 30. The logic is we need to find all the numbers that are even, that is 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. All right, so let's first write the code to get the odd number and even number. Okay, so we'll be using separate programs for this. Okay, let's first define an array is equal to, we'll take this 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7 9 comma 10. Okay, let's write sum of events, and inside this we'll specify as 0. And now let's run a loop for num in arr, that is the array that we have defined. If the particular number divided by 2 is equal to 0, that means we know that that particular number is an even number. So we will fetch that particular even number in the sum of even numbers that we have specified as 0. Okay, so if it is equal to 0, then sum of sum of events plus equal to num. So basically 0 plus the number which is divided by 2 is equal to 0. That number will add up with this sum of events. Okay, now let's print it first. Print sum of all even numbers in an array is comma this one. I said this is a very basic question. Okay, let's run it. I think I'm running this for the very first time in the Google Colab today, so that's why it is taking some little bit time. So let's wait for it, and after that we'll copy the same code to get the output for the sum of all the odd numbers. And after that we'll have a bonus question, and I think that question everyone will like it. Okay, why it's not running? It's sitting. Okay, I think yeah. So it is giving us as 16. Okay, so I think here we have made one mistake, because it is giving 16 because we have given 3 4 then 45. So here I think we should give comma 4 comma 5, and if we run it right now it should give, I guess, 30 or 20. Yeah, it is giving 20. And why it is giving 20, let's understand. First, a 2 is an even number. 2 plus 4, 4 is an even number. 6, 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 8 is 20. The last number is not 10, it is we have defined as 19. That's why it is not being getting added. If we specify as 10, this number, we change the number from 19 to 10, then if we run it, then it will give us 30 as the output. Yeah, all right then. So let's copy the whole code, Control C. Let's paste it here. Okay, so here we need to make some modifications like sum of odds, and if it is divided by 2 is not equal to, instead of equal to we will write not equal to 0. Then sum of odds odds plus equal to num, and here also we'll write sum of odd numbers in array is sum of odds. All right, let's run it the query. So yeah, we have got the successful output as sum of all the odd numbers in an array is 25. Alright, let's now do the bonus question for it. So the bonus question is basically, okay, I think I should give a text first. Okay, calculate both the sum of all the even numbers and sum of all the odd numbers in a given array and return them as a list. Okay, so we need to get 30 and 25 as a list in a single code. Alright, let's define a function def calculate even underscore odd underscore sums. We're giving a particular name, and inside this the array, and similarly sum of events is equal to 0. Similarly sum of odds is equal to 0, and let's run a loop for num in arr. If we can simply write this with logic, control C, and we can put this here, control V. If it is divided by 2 is equal to 0, then sum of events plus equal to num. Okay, and else sum of odds plus equal to num. And then here is the main part, we need to return the whole array in the form of list. So inside the list you need to specify sum of events comma sum of odds. Make sure to align it with the for loop only, and because in Python we need to take care of the indentation. So now let's specify the array. We can just take the array from the above one, control C, control V, and we will be printing control C. So sum of evens and odds numbers in an array in a list format is equal to the result. Okay, let's call the function, and if we can write result is equal to this particular function, control C, control V, result. All right, then let's run it. We should be getting, yeah, we should be getting 30 and 25, and if we simply uh, swap the result like sum of odds and sum of even, we should be getting 25 and 30. So yeah, this is the question, bonus question that I wanted to share with you. And today we solved three questions, three very basic questions, and these questions can be asked in your service-based companies like Accenture, Cognizant, Capgemini, TCS, HCL. All these type of companies generally ask these type of questions when you are going for Python coding interview for the freshers, of course. And as you have more number of experience, the level of question is going to increase. And for those, for the experienced questions, I will come up with in the next video. And till then, keep loving, keep coding. Subscribe the channel to get more updates, and share this channel with someone who is preparing for data analyst interview. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.